Okay, welcome back. We are going over the Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, installing and configuring Windows 10 in preparation for exam 70-698. We are currently working our way through Lab 8, configuring data access and usage. And this video will go over exercise 8.2, which is configuring libraries. So we are already logged on to CL1. As the datum administrator. So now what we're going to do is go back into File Explorer. And click on View, Navigation Pane, and Show Libraries. Oops. Yeah, there it is. We can see it right there. I want to do View again. Okay, so now we're going to go into libraries. Here's our libraries. And you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 libraries. And you'll notice that the public library does not show up. So anywhere here, we're going to right click. No, maybe not. Let's go here. There it is, New Library. And we're going to call this My Library and then enter. Double click, include folder. And we want to include documents. And then include. Okay, and we're going to click our back button. So we're back to My Library. I want to right click it and go into Properties. And here I want to click on Add. And this time I want to do Desktop. Include folder. And if you're required to do so, this would be where you would take your next screenshot. We're going to go ahead and do OK. And then close out of this. And then it's the end. And that's the end of this exercise. The next, and the end of this video, the next exercise will go over exercise 8.3, which is configuring printers.